Good morning, guys. It's AT though. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs for One.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Right now, you guys, I'm jumping in the shower, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm jumping in the shower. The coin machine thing is not working, you guys. Yeah. So I got a free shower. Yeah, we got a free shower. So that's about it. So we got a free shower. So right now, you guys, we are heading to the Scenic. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
100% excited.
Like more than this Sprites and Skittles? Excited?
Yeah.
More than that?
Yeah.
That was 100%. So you have to be a little bit more than 100%.
2,000%.
There you go. So that's what we're doing. So the first scene, we are going to go on the expansion bridge. So that's what we're doing. Going into the natural refrigerator. So right now, you guys, we are going swimming.
Yay!
Yeah, we are going swimming. That's so excited, right?
Yep.
Did you have fun at the caves?
Yeah, but it's hot.
It is hot.
I climbed really good.
There you go. Yeah, she climbed really good. So that's what we did today. Right now, you guys, we are playing some 5 crowns, so that's what we're doing.
And they all have to be different colors.
So we are going to get up early in the morning tomorrow, so I'm going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys back here tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!
Hello guys, and welcome to the end slate, the part of the video where you have a chance to press that like button, subscribe, and comment down below something wonderful. Leave a comment, y'all, and even just like share it with a friend. Post it on your Facebook page, send it to a friend. Be that person. Let's support each other in this time. Like, yeah, man. Okay. I'm going to go to sleep. Why am I going to go to sleep? Because I got to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. And yeah. Okay, guys. Love y'all. See you in the next video at the end of the video. Bye. Okay.